Alright guys, so the first step is to go ahead and copy this link, and then you want to go and post it into this website and click submit. And what's going to happen now is we're going to potentially get paid up to $23 every time someone does an action on that particular link. What we're going to be doing in this video is using Google Translate to go ahead and make money online in this very simple strategy. Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online using Google Translate in 2023. Now, this particular method is worldwide. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and you can do this for completely free in this tutorial. You can start this method for free if you don't have any money to start doing this. I'm going to give you all of the tools that you need to start this method today, and I'm going to actually take you through this step by step so you don't miss any of the steps that you need to take. And I'm going to show you some results in a minute from other people who are making money with this strategy. So let's jump into this tutorial. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe so you know my next video comes out. Let's get started and show you how to make money with Google Translate in 2023. All right, guys, so the first step you want to do in this free training is you want to head over to a website called CPAGrip.com, and you want to sign up an account. As you can see, I'm already actually signed into my account, but there will be a register button. You want to click that button and create yourself an account. And as you can see, there's lots of stats here that we can look at. And what this is CPA is cost per action or acquisition. There's two different types. It really just depends on what type of thing you are doing, but that is what CPA means. So what you want to do is you want to go to CPA Grip and you want to sign up an account. And once you do that, you'll be taken to a dashboard that looks like this. Now, I've just created this account for this tutorial, and as you can see, when you log in, you're going to be taken to this dashboard, and there's actually a chat system. And what it does is the system automatically tells everyone in chat what people have been making. So you can see here that Malcolm X here has made 5,000 off 8,000 leads. This person has made 1,000 off 600 leads. And if we go up, there was a big one before. Maestro here has made 30,000 off 19,000 leads. So we can see that this particular website is actually people out. And I'm going to show you exactly how these guys are making their money and how to actually get paid much more than the average person on this website. So this guy here, 19,000 off 11,000 leads. So we know that this system is working, and I'm going to go through and show you exactly how to get started right now. So the next step is you want to go to offer tools and you want to click on my offers, okay? And you're obviously not going to have any stats or anything like that because you just started the account, unless you actually already have one, of course. But you can go through and there's all of some information down here that you don't really need to worry about right now. Now, when you get onto the offers page, it's going to show you offers in your country only because it's going to track where you are located. But what you want to do is you want to go to all countries and you want to change it to payouts to the highest at the top. What you'll notice is that most of the highest paying offers are actually from companies like Germany. We have France down here, which is what we're going to be working on. And you'll see that all of these particular offers are in a different language. So what we can do is we can actually utilize this to go ahead and make money online with this particular method. Now, this is my country down here. I would get around about $16 for some of the highest paying offers. But if we go to the top here, in Germany, for example, it's around about $27. And what we're going to focus on is France. Now, these are specific offers where someone has to do an action. So for example, you would get paid on this one if someone submits their credit card details. You would get paid on this one if someone does a PIN submit. And then there's like other ones, for example, like we can go up to here in categories, we can go mobile install. So we would get paid on these particular offers if someone does a mobile install. So like installs an app onto their mobile. But as you can see, the payouts are quite low for this particular one. And we can do things like email and zip submissions. So these ones used to pay out quite well. I actually used to do a lot of CPA email zip submissions, and they still pay out pretty good. As you can see here, we have email and stuff like that. We can actually click on one of these, for example, and I'll kind of show you quickly what it does. is you enter your information for a chance to win a Morrison's gift card, a £500 gift card for this particular offer. So this is what CPA Grip is about. It's about giving offers to people and collecting something in return, like an email, a zip code, or something like that. And you get paid, so you'll get paid $1.50 when someone puts in their email, okay? Now, the reason a lot of these ones are lower payouts is because they're saturated. A lot of people are promoting these. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to a different language and we're going to use Google Translate to make money with CPA marketing. But there are lots of different offers that you can choose. So I'm going to go down to France because this is one of the better, higher paying ones. We're going to change this back to all categories. And we're going to go ahead and choose one, and we're going to choose one of the highest paying ones. So I'm going to click on payout and we're going to go from top to bottom. Now this particular offer, we'll talk about this one here. This particular offer is a credit card submission. So what I would recommend you do is get a VPN and go to the link first and see what they offer. So put in the details and see what comes up at the other end. It's usually like a movie website or something like that. What we can do is we can go ahead and we can copy this right here, which is the French language. And we can go into Google Translate and just put in the text and translate to English. And it says, enter your information now to get started. So we can use something like Google Translate to understand what this offer is about. And what this offer is simply about is about putting in credit card information. And then there will be an offer on the other side once that person puts in that credit card information. And I have the offer right here because I went and did this. And what happens is people put in their credit information to get unlimited movies that they can watch. Okay, so we're going to actually use this later on to craft our own offer to get people to click the link and put in their credit card details. So they're putting their credit card details to go and watch movies. They are paying to watch movies. So let's get started on how you can actually start promoting these particular offers. And remember, you get paid out when this person puts in their credit card information and they submit it. Okay, so they don't have to buy anything. They just have to put in their credit card information and you get $23 every time someone does that. And these are the highest paying ones, France, Germany, and stuff like that. So that's why we use these particular ones, because not a lot of people are actually doing it either. And a credit card information is worth more than an email, for example. Now, keep in mind, guys, you want to check the offer and you want to make sure it's right for you. So there are lots of different offers because I don't actually know exactly where these guys get their movies from. So you might want to not promote this particular offer. It really just depends. I haven't looked into exactly where they get their movies from. I'm just doing this for educational purposes. And this is one of the products that you can promote. But for example, if you don't want to go ahead and promote a movie streaming website, you could try another country. So for example, if we go to Germany, which was one that popped up before, I think it was Germany, they actually have a mobile offer that you can promote, as far as I'm aware. I think it's Germany. Oh, maybe that wasn't the Germany. No, that wasn't the German flag. I got that wrong. Well, here you go. This one here looks like people submit their credit card details and they get some underwear. So maybe you would want to do that. Or there's actually a iPhone one as well that we found before. And to do that one, all you do is go to country and then all, and then you'll see all of the offers. But these boxes ones and stuff don't pay out as much, but I do remember that mobile phone one did pay out quite a bit. So let's have a look. So this one here, people get a chance to win a MacBook or something, a $500 Apple gift card. So this could be something else that you might want to go ahead and promote, just because I don't know exactly where these movies are coming from, but this is one of the offers that you can promote, and we're going to use this in this example in this particular video. So now what do you do to go ahead and get the traffic to your offer? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. I'm just going to go back to my French offers because that's the one we're going to be using in this tutorial real quick. All right, guys, so the next step is you want to head over to a website called trafficadbar.com. And as you can see, they will deliver up to 1,022 visitors to your website every 3 days for free. So to your affiliate link. That means that you're going to get 1,000 visitors for free every 3 days. Now, all you would need is one person to put in their information from that 1,000 and you would make that $20 for that CPA offer. And you could potentially get more than one person to sign up to the offer. So you could actually see the potential in this. You can do this for completely free and you can go ahead and get these free visitors. So what I would do is I'll show you exactly how you can sign up and get your ad going so you can go ahead and get these free clicks. Alright, so once you've signed up to your account, you're going to want to go ahead and verify your email. Once you've done that, we're going to follow a few steps. We're going to click next, put in your first name and your last name, male or female. And then you want to go ahead and choose a username. I'm just going to put in something random here. And then once you've created your account, there's going to be a few steps that you need to follow. So you're going to get daily bonus points. And what that means is we can actually go ahead and get traffic for free. And we will talk about that in a minute. We'll just say whenever, 3 o'clock. Alright guys, so now on this page is where we can actually go ahead and set up our link so we can start making some money. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and go back to CPA Grip and then find the product that you want to promote and click on this. We need to do a few steps. The first step is we want to go ahead and copy this link, and then we want to go ahead and use a link shortener. So you can use something like bit.ly. In this one I'm going to use shorturl.at, and I'm going to go ahead and post this in here and go shorten URL. The next step is I'm going to go ahead and copy that URL right here, and then we're going to go back into the add traffic website and paste this in here, and I'm going to go add website. So you do want to use a shortened URL, it's just better to do so. And then here we're going to go ahead and create our ad. So first we need to go ahead and create a title. This is where Google Translate comes in. So what we want to do is we want to go English to French. Now keep in mind we are promoting this movie website. Now, like I said, you might not want to promote this. This is just for this tutorial. Probably a good idea not to promote this specific website, but I'm going to do something. So I'm going to do a title and we're going to translate it to French because we're going to be giving this ad to people in France. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go watch movies. Watch movies. Okay, so watch movies. I'm going to get rid of that because I don't need that right now. Watch movies, unlimited every month. I'm going to do that now. And I'm going to go credit card needed. Now the reason I'm going to say credit card needed is just because it gets us better clicks, quality clicks. You don't have to put that in there, but I would recommend maybe giving it a try. Okay, so what we have here is we have, this is in French, I can't read French. Anyway, we have watch movies, unlimited every month, and then credit card needed. We put the wrong credit card needed in there. We need the French version. And there we go. And then what language is the page? It is French. And then down here, you want to choose your countries. Now, you will need to use credits if you do France, so 1 extra credit. So that's up to you. You can just do all countries, but obviously all countries is not the best thing to do because this is a French website and French details. But you want to go ahead and do France if you can, and it will cost you some credits to do that if you do that. Or you can do an English country or something if you want to try a different strategy to do this. And then when do you want your ad to be seen? Go ahead and put in some details on when you want your ad to be seen, and your ad will then be posted onto the traffic ad bar website. So for example, I might run it from Thursday till the 18th. Thursday the 11th to the 18th. Okay, and then specific times. I'm just going to leave it on all time so it runs all day, but this is what you want to do, and then you just click save, and this will take you through to the end of the setup process. And once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and get the free visitors to your link, and it will actually take you through the process on what you need to do that. So just follow the instructions when you click save, and it'll take you through how to get the free points. All right guys, so that's how you can go ahead and make money online with Google Translate using CPA offers. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.